It all started with a vision, a chance to step into ZenCube and connect directly with the minds shaping the future. Through the ZenCore project, these students didn't just observe, they built. They collaborated, debated, and turned concepts into reality. From deep research to full-fledged project demos, they brought their A-game to the boardroom every single day. But it wasn't all code and whiteboards. Fun Fridays at ZenCube meant unwinding, sharing laughs, and building connections that will last well beyond this project. Today marks their final day with us, but it's only the beginning of their professional journey. Congratulations to our ZenCore Cohort. The future is yours to build.